Hi, my name is Kelly Pracht. I'm the CEO and one of the co-founders at Invenue Inc. Here at Invenue, we innovate in artificial intelligence and machine learning all about live sports. In fact, our lightning-fast solutions for fan engagement save our customers time and money and reach fans in amazing new ways. So let me tell you something. Fans that are watching live sports are frustrated and they want more. I know because I'm one of these fans. Like millions of other Americans, I watch hundreds of hours of sports every single year. And it astonishes me that tech is advancing in many ways in all aspects of my life, but not in the live sports experience. As techies and sports geeks, we know that we can do better. What do we know about post-COVID sports? Well, we know it's going to be different for a while. We also know that 220 million fans are anxious for sports to return. How do we know this? Because the NFL draft that was virtual just reached record numbers, and we're watching reruns of sports on TV. So we know that sports is coming back. We also realize that stadiums are going to be empty, but we expect viewership to surge in live sports, and for that, we know that fan engagement is going to be vital. So what do we want as fans in this live sports experience? Well, we want the best of all worlds. We want it in stadium or out of stadium. That means it has to be real time and it has to be virtual. I want to feel the rush and the roar of the crowd. I want real insights on things that are happening now. I want to be social in a sports way, and I want to be challenged. But here's a secret. Knowing how to reach the fan is important. Knowing how to deliver to the fan is equally important. Right now, sports tech is growing with unprecedented numbers, and companies like Invenue are making solutions for that. So when we combine brand power of leagues, broadcast venues, and teams with tech power, we give engagement power, and that's what we need to do in the sports ecosystem today. So that's what we've done at Invenue. We made a set of real-time fan engagement tools. We broke that up into 3 categories. We deliver insights right away with each play, and we make that available via an API that our customers can integrate quickly. We build on that with an API that sets up live gameplay. We did the groundwork so you can play now. And lastly, we made white label mobile apps to put the play in the fans' hands. These types of building blocks are going to help us hit the ground running. Let me tell you a little bit more about Prism, because that's the foundational block of the Invenue suite. First of all, it has to be fast, because in sports, everything changes in just a single play. So our artificial intelligence stays a step ahead of the real-time game, and our machine learning picks up on insights, trends, and probable outcomes before the play. Just look at one example of Prism when Rougned Odor met Travis Lakins last year in September for baseball. Well, with each pitch, the probability of a fastball changed over time and again. And of course, when the count was 0-2, we would figure Rougned might strike out, but did you know that he also had a higher probability of grounding out? It's these types of insights and more that are going to make sports a lot of fun for fans. But here's the secret. Data alone, no matter how cool it is not going to be enough for a live sports fan. We want to play along. And so for that reason, we open up our API with the live gameplay so that you can integrate that into your own platforms and apps. We did that hard work so you can get going. We also created the Predict app, which is available right now and puts the game in the fans' hands. This is a white label offering. We tested it, fans love it, and we can't wait to share more about it. A little bit to know about our product availability. I've talked a little bit about baseball, but we're also bringing in football this year and other sports in the following years. We launched Prism in 2020 for baseball and football, and we're looking for pilot partners for the Predict API and app. We've been gaining traction, and our mission is to reach fans from the time we created Invenue through all of our development, acceleration, and now we're readying for launch. There's a lot of great things ahead. So let me introduce you to the Invenue team. We're sports fanatics, and we have a lot of tech and business experience. You met me. I led R&D and business leadership at Hewlett-Packard for about 18 years. Drew Williams comes to us from Tender, where he was director of finance and brings expertise of scale. Bruce Sears is the master behind our product design as CPO. Together, we're making amazing sports experiences. I hope you see that Invenue is leading in fan engagement tech. We are making one solution at a time to make an awesome experience for the fan. We're ready to rock when sports returns in 2020, and we're looking for partners to join us. If you'd like to test out Prism and run that on your own via our web demos, please give us a shout. Thank you.